178th question, rank scores. It comes under the category medium, and they have provided a table called scores. They have given the description about it, the column name and their respective data types. Integer, int type, sorry, id, int type, score, it comes under decimal data type. And what they have provided here is id is the primary key column with unique values for this table. For each row of this table contains the score of the game. Score is a floating point value with two decimal places. So the question here is, write a solution to find the rank of scores. The ranking should be calculated according to the following rules. Okay, so what are the rules here is, the score should be ranked from highest to lowest. So basically they're saying us to sort it in descending order. Then if there is a tie between two scores, both should have the same ranking. For example, if you have two scores like 5 5, the score is 5 for both the IDs, then both of them should be given the same rank. Okay, then after that, after a tie, the next ranking number should be the next consecutive integer value. In other words, there should be no holes between ranks. So for example, let us take three IDs, like ID1 has a score of 5, ID2 has a score of 5, and ID3 has a score of 3. So both 5 5 should be given the rank of 1, and the next one should be given the rank of 2. So that's what is basically meant by this third point. So then what are they expecting to return? Return the table ordered by score in descending order. Okay, let us go through the example given and see how we can write the code. Okay, so this example given here is the scores table, the ID they have provided, the scores they have provided. As you can see, the high ID number 3 is the highest, which has a value or score of 4. So this will be provided, this ID number 3 and ID number 5 both have a score of 4 and both are identical, so both will be given rank of 1 according to what they have given. Then the next highest is 3.85 and there is only one 3.85, so this will be given a rank of 2 according to second point, right? Then you have 3.65 for ID2 and ID6, so this will be given a rank of 4, and left out is 3.50, that will be given a rank of 5. So that let us see what would be the output. So that will be the same output, 1 1 2 2 3 3. Okay, I think I missed something. Okay, yeah. So 4 4 will be rank 1, 3.85 and okay, yeah, which will be rank 2, and 3.65 and 3.65 will be 3 3, and 3.50 will be 4. There's no 5. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, let us for solving this question, you need to know the applications of the window function. So there are various applications of window function. It is like fetching, ranking, paging, etc. So when it comes to ranking, you have three different functions. You have row number, rank, and dense rank. So let us dive deep into what basically each three of these functions basically mean. Okay, so row number is the function which assigns unique number for same rows, all the rows. All right, when the rank function, it will assign the same number for the rows which has the identical values. All right, and it is going to skip over the next number. When it comes to dense rank, it is going to assign the same number for the rows which has identical values, but it does not skip over the next number. So according to the question, what they are asking, they're asking is we should not skip. So next consecutive value, there should be next consecutive values and next ranking number should be assigned. So according to whatever the question they have asked, we need to use the dense rank window function over here, ranking window function over here. So let us write the code. So from the table name is scores. All right, we need to select what and all we need to have in the result table. We need to have the score and the rank. So score, and how is the rank calculated? we need to use over clause because we are using the window function over here, and we need to order it by score, and it should be in descending order. All right, and which is the ranking function that I told that we are going to use? Dense function, right? So we are going to use, sorry, dense rank, that is the function. And let us alias it as rank because in the output it is given as rank. So as rank, I cannot write it like this like you normally write. That's because rank is already predefined in SQL. Because of that, if you're using the name which is already predefined, you need to give quotes, either double quote or single quote, it does not matter, your wish. And then finally you need to order it by rank, right? Because see, it is given that the result table should be ordered by score in descending order. So let us write that order by score in DSC, descending order. Alright, let us run this and see if there are any errors. If there are, we will correct it together. Okay, so it's running. Yeah, so it passes all the test cases. As you can see, they have a same example, whatever it is taken over here, and for the particular input, the same output that we have got, and the expected output also matches. So it's fantastic. It's absolutely correct. Let's submit it. Well, it is submitted as well, so there are no errors. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.